Hey guys, hey, it's Kim Flores. I just wanted to shoot this quick video. I wanted to let you guys know why exactly did I get into epic trading. Epic trading, I don't know if you knew this or not, but it's an educational platform where you learn Forex trading. Very profitable. You learn Forex trading. You also can help other people learn Forex trading by getting them involved in what we call the university. But the reason that I actually wanted to get in on it is because being is at the stage of life that I am in right now, my working life is over. My body is shot. The only thing I can do is to work at home, and that's what I've been busting my butt at. And far as Forex trading goes, if you know what you're doing, you can make a lot of money. Okay, income disclaimer, not everybody will do this right, and it's not for everybody. Okay, so what I make isn't what you would make. What the educators make isn't what I would make, and vice versa. So just caveat emptor, right? So just that's your disclaimer right there. So but I saw an opportunity. That word is there's got to be a better word than that, because it's actually it's a stepping stone into another piece of into another room of life, if you will. Okay. With that, I have control over what income and whatever comes into my household, right? I am learning, and I am I've figured out a lot of stuff that I didn't know before. And just learning through their university, they care about you, and that's what I like. It's community. The people that I'm associated with also, they care about you. So me being kind of off on my own, and if you're working from home, you would know this, that you're kind of like isolated. And so you want to get yourself a network of friends or people or associates that can collaborate with you, that can help you, that can give you a hand up, right? Cheer you on when you're doing good, and console you when you're not doing good, and basically that's pretty much what I got into here. So I saw the vision. I saw the opportunity to where I could have control over my finances and what I make, rather than like a government check coming in, or interest payments from a savings account, or selling something, and getting the proceeds of that. This I have control over. Okay. And that's what really prompted me. I'm looking for the future for my kids, my grandkids, and possibly even their kids. So I'm kind of looking at that, and it's a way to live life debt free, if you will, and an ability to be able to pay off any kind of credit, card, loan, or whatever, because the best thing to be is to be debt free if you're going to do anything like this. Me, in my stage of life also, I'm not old, I'm not young either, but the thing is, we don't know how long we've got here on this planet Earth, do we? So all right, I want to wrap this up, because I can really get going. But the one reason I wanted to get into epic trading was because I wanted to learn Forex trading, because because like I said, the lucrative opportunity that is there. And I know that the disclaimer, I know that they don't promise anything. Okay, it's all up to the individual, and I'm learning I'm learning what I can learn, and I'm learning to be profitable, and I'm succeeding at it. So anyway, guys, it's Kim Flores, and epic trading is one thing that you want to look into if you're trying to solidify your own family's bank. Okay, so anyway, guys, I'm going to sign off right now, and just hopefully you can see my next videos or any of my other videos, and we'll you know, just hit me up, and I can kind of, you know, share some stuff with you also. So all right, guys, so it's Kim Flores. All right, talk to you later. Bye bye.